Hello there, and welcome to Systems Engineering Issues, which is a spring semester module. My name's Pam Mayhew, and my research interests are development methods, user participation, and user experience as well. Computer-based systems are everywhere, from factories through to healthcare systems. In the home, I'd quite like one of these Hoovers. In cars and remote devices everywhere. So if we just look at the computer-based systems that are in a car, this just gives you some examples of them. So we have navigation systems, we have parking systems, braking systems, all sorts of systems within one car. And this means that we're going to have lots of different people working on putting together the car or the system that is a car. So the types of engineers we might have to produce a car are such as mechanical engineers, electrical and electronic engineers, software engineers, safety engineers, acoustic engineers, and the list goes on. We have usability engineers and so on. And there's probably lots that I haven't listed here. For example, environmental engineers who are looking to control the carbon footprint and so on. What we're interested in on the systems engineering module is the systems engineer. And the systems engineer is interested in the success and the quality of the whole car, the whole system made up of all those other systems, subsystems that we have. And the systems engineer is really interested in whether it all fits together and it all works as a whole. It doesn't mean they're more important, but they are looking at systems problems rather than the individual engineering type of problems. It includes lots of different disciplines, so from looking at systems thinking and project management, all the way through the development process to quality testing, and also looking at the peopleware aspects, seeing how we can get people to work together well in teams, such as development teams and so on. For most of the topics, we actually have guest speakers in from industry, from a range of different companies. So you'll get the theoretical side of it from the lecturers, and you'll get the practical side of it, what it's like doing this in the real world, from the guest speakers. The teaching will be mainly as lectures and seminars, the guest speakers, as I've already said, and self-learning as well. The delivery mode of these will depend on the COVID situation. We're not quite sure yet, but I anticipate that what we will do is we will have pre-recorded lecture material which you will be asked to read before coming together for an online live session where we will go over that material just to make sure that everyone's got the right idea and you will have a chance to ask questions on it. We'll also have the guest talks, of course, which will be online live guest talks. And then we'll have seminars face-to-face if we can, and if not, they will obviously be online seminars. The assessment for this is made up of two aspects. Firstly, a portfolio assessment, which is worth 60%, and a course test, which will be taken in the spring semester assessment period. So the portfolio is made up of a paper that you write on a topic which you have a choice of, a presentation of that paper, and the second part of the portfolio is given for seminar participation. The seminars are quite important on this module. You're given quite a lot to read for them, and then we discuss them at the seminars, and so the seminar participation rewards the work that you put into that. Formative feedback will be given through the seminars and through the submission of a paper abstract where you're working towards your paper. So just to summarise then, lots and lots of interesting topics, lots of discussion, lots of chance to bring in your own experiences into the discussions. access to experts from industry, and it's very relevant for future employment. These are the sorts of things that you will be getting involved in when you leave, and it's a fun module and you will be very welcome. So please feel free to email me. My address is on the first slide, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.